on a beautiful Monday morning. And I can only sing the Vula Matsi and would be talking about
Students that are boarding the bus this beautiful morning, to the drivers, to the passengers, the parents who are going to work on their way to work. A very good morning to you all. It's the first day of this week. Matay ni singa bikan dalam ni madong ko ni singa moniti matay ni singa ni garabitabi. Some of us are on a Monday mood. And they don't feel like going to school, the students and the parents also, they don't feel like going to work because it's Monday. Right. Yes, but
don't say that.
Sangat di pangatawa-tawa na ng taga-Rabi-Tabi. Di naman din matubaya, rungota. Duri lako le daga-daka. Push yourself to the limit. Be a hard-working person because at the end of the day, you will be the one benefiting.
Don't know Bobinaka. Dems?
I would like to say good morning to the people now who are doing the Tita Bioka.
Right.
Now from Makole Solebumbua to Mbela. Thank you very much for the joining this morning.
Rokombela?
Or Rokombela.
Oh,
and the family from Rara Mbelangio.
Right.
Yeah, good morning to you and the family.
Bar. He's got a bar named VTFM Bar.
Oh, okay.
Right.
One now.
I remember he came one day, he wanted to take one of the
signage.
Yeah, signage.
Oi.
Yeah, kaya mikirin tara signage, may libu nga na ba?
Bye. Correct.
Yeah.
Oh,
to the Ratu Felice Memorial School, the compound. Non rautao emo anon noni, na bunibe en nong betamani na bitu na madao ni buli.
Right.
Botong ko bani binaka betina yema wele la kemba. Na mataka binakalikua.
Hey, you got a new haircut today.
Yes. You look like one new recruit.
Yeah. This is not the new haircut.
Okay.
The old style of haircut.
Right.
But I want to wear this morning.
Oh. Yes.
Number X.
This homemade.
Homemade haircut.
Oh. Okay.
Homebrew.
Kan staff na Tempest Unlimited, Kalandi New Zealandi, Seto Tiloboy ni Stephen Lee, Mohammed Khan, and Junior Zing.
Nanda kaya state raketi madwata na bina kamineli aminia si Vito Luita ana bina kaya na pagkatambi singa ni ko. Rene bina sa radio dem sana kimurere na matango.
Iyo.
You look like one high school student.
Yes. Oh, yes.
From 6 and from 7.
Please don't do that.
Because last week I already told you too that I want to cut my hair. I want to number one.
If you come with a sulubakatanga today, this morning, you look like one from 7 saranga.
Yeah, but one thing, the cold inside this compound is very different.
Don't confront it to lama. One confront.
One confront ni mekambita na kasi.
So, bayar na katurang nita. Mel na dali ben nontang ono boruta kaya na mata kabinani ko. So, sa tutuan dundua, say how many times you coach like this?
Most of the time when I was in primary school, secondary school, during the cadet, I used to wear this haircut. From after cadet, I never want to bulmanda. I want to try the dreadlocks.
Right.
I want to try dreadlocks. Then sometime want to try afro. But because still have the hair, some of us we don't have the hair. We miss that time,
And it's also important to change your hairstyle every now and then, because your looks will also change.
Yes.
If you have like for us women also, we change our hairstyle.
Me ko da mo purita lang ako muni.
No, hairstyle. I'm talking about hairstyle.
Yeah, talaga na hairstyle.
And dui.
There's one hairstyle called bulumbulingele. Bulumbulingele. Karena non realal nang kasiliu. Bulumbulingele. Metasi may muringo, all the backside pori, and become one hip here.
Ay ato. Laban kang war na batatar ni bono ka sa Facebook. Sa deactivate no account.
Ganang live sa mamas tu.
Sarongan nando wasil lo rin na tolot. Ilang ko kilaw kanta na bibi.
Hindi mo ito ko randuwa nga na pay suit sama.
Yamasi. Bulare.
How about your Father's Day yesterday?
Father's Day was very good. I asked the people at home.
Any special treat for
I
you?
woke up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Oh.
Right.
When I woke up,
Yes.
the food already sa arto pamutar to na marami.
The breakfast.
Yeah.
Right.
At saan naman talino to? Saan ako nito?
Wele na ko. So from there,
Tole kamoli.
from there, Jim, Kasi Chona, and everybody was waiting there. We was watching each other. Hey, today is Father's Day.
Yes.
And we was confused,
Yeah.
because only Father's Day I know is Abu's birthday, because Abu was birthday gift on that day.
Yeah.
On Sunday,
Yeah.
when he 2019 when he come to the earth.
Yeah.
Ngom sa Sudukina. He was my Father's Day gift.
Right.
Yeah.
Namata kan singa tambuya nang ono kebeti ko kine balimbo.
Yeah.
Right.
So I was like this, September 31st,
Yeah.
and this one is coming on February.
Right.
Hey, one thing I've seen.
What?
Thank you to all the fathers out there.
Right.
Na isibu talenga singa tambu ni sibu na singa.
Dina ben.
Right,
Yams
yes.
and Tandalo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very look good.
Yeah.
Thank you to all the father.
Guda.
Guda.
Yeah.
We love you all this morning.
Yes.
Tapatanga sanga sa dem sa santo libuna ka santo rituwa sa santo tanasarangan na to kini wale ko belo.
Right.
Ko santo klats kini ngondo sukani kina arto nang ngone sa talir bina katarasar katun siya tao. Arto santo kambicin arto tasaranga. Ko lilisan ko papamisan ko.
Right.
Kinto bina katoka rinto ta maurte girto ket.
Yeah.
Nakasangin to nang bolen chuwa.
Yeah.
Me arto laku pa kada merto lengi dito. Nakasangin ta ka ko ka. Pasangit na pay na piu nagwawa na moli.
Enawa. Na pero
Ni merto level tu kina.
iban pa. Ina juju.
Ay lay. Basta
Kaya
kita
ko-
tero ko naruro met sa bensino merto li de tira.
Dolento ni user mo.
Katambote ko na doon na volcano may bingori. Natamo ko na ni matim tuko sa katambote ka kinang ko. Kini chat sa labong yung
Eh, ano
mga
na kabale?
Iya, ano binak?
Ya, Caroline Clea Grace yan na kan sa ni
7:55.
Ilibula. Bunin to ba masimbele? Ano na kan korma ka wa lambasan go? Udah na korma ka chuma lambasa?
Jangan rumah tanggo.
Ano na kan siya, ano siya? Ano na ka vale? Tamaya ben. Kemeli Bukeyono. Miss Bukeyono
Moni nuku
muaninuku
no bukele
kanda. Wisa. Yan na ka may na debo ni dangi. Ya, pokoknya mereka cuma bertemu nonton konelo, pembutir itu may rota ng gangay.
Ito wala tiko siyang kayo.
Oh, okay.
Apa kata kau toko non rosa tiko na mata ti meru Australia pati ke South Africa.
Right.
Taisar tu nga nang unong go.
Vida.
Vitu.
Vitu, kaya
Right.
kata Vito kan limay, nag-isama tala naman